Hey guys, and welcome back to today's trading recap where I'm gonna be covering the two trades I took today on the 20th of January. The first one was at 2 a.m., the 2 a.m. candle, and the second one was the 10 a.m. candle, so right after New York market open. Let's get right into the first trade. So, we can see before we opened this candle, we were right here, and on the higher time frame, I was clearly bullish for the rest of the week, but I saw we still got the previous day low here, which I wanted at least to get taken out. But my bias, as I said, for the week was this the week opening gap. So in the coming days, I am hoping for longs into this the week opening gap, or at least this CE, so the middle of the week opening gap. But let's get to the trade. When the 2 a.m. candle opened, I was ready to take a short because I was thinking we first want to take out the previous day low and then, like from around here, uh, get some bullish momentum to fill the week opening gap. So I scaled down to the 50-minute time frame, and as you can see, we had a perfect 50-minute fair value gap right here on NQ, and that's what I marked out instantly. Then I scaled down to the 1-minute time frame, like always, and waited for it to get tapped. It got tapped instantly in the first minute when the candle opened, as you can see right here, which was a really, really good reaction. And I wanted to wait for the CST so I can enter the trade. The CST for the trade was right here. We edged that CST and then went up again. On ES, we made equal highs, so an SMT, and I was ready to take this CST right here because we made a new high on ES and made the SMT. So I was ready to take this CST. We can see here at 2:13 we got that CST, and like always I am putting my stop 4 ticks or 1 point above the high, and the TP was, as I told you before, previous day low, so about 2R. As you can see, it perfectly played out in like 1 hour, or even less, like 45 minutes. When London opened, we got nice volatility, and we hit TP right here. We could have held it even longer, but as I explained to you, my bias was just to sweep previous day low and then retrace so we can go further up. But I was happy with my 2R I catched here. And yeah, that was the first trade. Now I'm going to be showing you the 10 a.m. trade, which was really frustrating. But let's get into it. So, right here was the 10 a.m. candle open. Like before, we had a really nice 15 minutes fair value gap right here, which looked perfect for me because I told you my bias was this week opening gap, and I wanted to take a long, like our RSI scale, to the 1-minute time frame, and we tapped it at 10:08. The CST was up here at that time, and then we swapped it again, so we had a new CST here, and then fucking Drake decided to come out and join the markets. This was a candle where we got the CST, so the entry was up here, like what the fuck, but yeah, it's still valid. So this was my entry, stop loss around here, and my TP was that new week opening gap at first, and then it fucking played out, didn't play out, and it was chopping around for like at least 2 hours right here. And when we were making the high here, I put my stop loss to around here, below this low because it was a 50-minute low, and I'm always following the 50-minute time frame. So my stop loss was right here. And after we made this low right here and made another high, I put my stop to break even. And as you can see right now, I got stopped out at break even, which was really, really unlucky because I don't know, it looked like the perfect trade for me, but it doesn't really matter because I made 2R in the morning. So I'm up like 4.2k, I think, or 4.4k, around that, on this day. And I'm now up like 10.4k on the month of January. So I'm really happy about that. And I'm looking forward to longing the next few days. So I hope we can reach this CE of the Nuvig opening gap. That's it for today. I hope you learned something, and I'm gonna see you soon. Bye.